YouTube. Good afternoon. Hope everybody is having a great day. None other, I am here to give you a cleaning product video. These are products that I use, and I also will be giving you some tips on where to shop for certain products because of the good pricing. So, without no further ado, let's get started. So the first thing is, let me go over where I shop for my cleaning products. I shop everywhere, but my favorite places to shop for good cleaning products will be Dollar General, what I prefer to call DG, and none other, Dollar Tree. Or if you have any other local dollar store, like a Family Dollar or what other dollar store you have, I prefer to shop there. But I also do shop at Kroger's and Walmart for my products. Depends on sales. Now, I will look for sales papers. When it comes to Kroger's, I will go and see what their sales papers are and think. Now, I'll check on their sales papers to see what the prices are, what are the specials for the week. So that is one. And number two, when it comes to Walmart, I use, this is not a sponsored video, but I use Shop Tagger to see what's going on at Walmart and if it's any sales. That's that one. Now I'm gonna go down some lists, a list of things that I do buy and everything. So the first thing is I love the Air Freshener Plug-Ins, and this month I've been using Airwick. And I'm gonna have to go and buy Airwick refill because that Airwick refill is one of my favorite things. I don't get a very loud scent. I'll get one that is clean linen. That's with my solids and with my solids and my Airwicks. So the two brands I will use will be Glade and Airwick. I like to get my plug-in air fresheners. I like to get those from Dollar General. They're pretty good price there. I mean, for $5, hey. And then I can go back and get a refill for about $6. So that's good. Now, if you want the solid air fresheners, I say Dollar General and Dollar Tree will be your best. Now, I'll say if you get the solids, make sure you get the Glade solids and get it in clean linen. That's the one I use and things. So yeah, the next things are scrubbing pads and sponges to clean out the sink or out the tub or on the countertops. So one of my favorite ones I do use is a Dollar General brand. It's called Dollar General DG Homes, and it's a value pack of 8 multiple purposes and things. So this is it right here. So let me show you. In this value pack, you have this one that has this backing, and then you have one without it. So you have two different ones and everything. You have the one with this on it and this, and you have one with this. Now, what's so good about these, I think this costed me no more than, I think, $1 or $2 at Dollar General. So yeah, another brand that I use is the Dawn brand. Now the Dawn brand comes with soap in it, so once you put water on it, it foams up pretty quickly. So that's a pretty good thing. Now another brand I use is the only is, oh my, and with the, like I said, it's the Dawn brand, and that particular thing is, it's like 2 for $1. So that is a pretty good brand to be using. Now, another thing I use is 409, um, 409 to clean out the tub with and stuff like that. So that's a pretty good product. I also use Mr. Clean Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. They are pretty good to get marks off the wall, and none other when it comes to washing. Well, I'll do washing clothes at a later date. But when it comes to dishwashing liquid, I use two different kinds. The one I is my main go-to is the Gain dishwashing liquid. I use the original, and when they do have like the ones with the scented ones, I get the green one. That's the original, and I know they have ocean water sparkle. I know they have a purple one. I can't think of the name of it, but they are pretty good products. Now, another thing is I use to clean is my furniture. You don't want dusty furniture. And so what I use, now this product, I think I have seen this in Dollar General, but I originally got this at Dollar Tree. And this is the Home Brightening Furniture Polish Lemon Scent, comparable to, if you see there to here, right there. And it is the Clean and Restore Wood. And this is a pretty good product. I'll go through and I will spray this, and then I'll go back through and I'll wipe down my my kitchen table and my living room side tables and front tables. So yeah, that's a product I will be I'll use. So yeah, so this is at Dollar Tree at $4, and I know I've seen this also at Dollar General in the dollar aisle, also $4. Now, another thing is I love to make sure I use, like I said, I use air fresheners. Another type of air freshener I use is the handheld spray one. One of my favorite ones to get when it comes to that is the lavender and peach blossom scent, because I actually put those in the bathroom and stuff. Let's just say y'all probably will get why and thing. And sometimes I will spray my closets with it. So yeah. So another thing I will get, now I know everybody probably don't like, I use bleach and stuff when I wash dishes. Depends on what I'm washing. And one of the things is I don't like the smell of Clorox on my hands. So one of the things I use is gloves. And so I like to use the reusable gloves. So this is the DG Home, one pair, a size large, latex reusable gloves, soft, comfortable, cotton, felt lining, non-slip grip, easy on and off. So this is this. And this was about $1. This was $1 at DG. Also, you can find almost something similar to this by Dawn. Yeah, Dawn soap has them as well, and Gain as well. They have them, but I think theirs is about $3 or $4. So that's a pretty good thing. And just to round out this video, y'all, is none other I love to keep my carpets fresh and clean, and usually I would get the Glade carpet freshener, but when I am not near the actual store to get it, I get an off-brand, and the brand when I'm in Dollar Tree, this is a brand I get, and it's called Love My Carpet, and it says for carpet and room deodorizing. 100% bigger, so stronger fragrance. And I always get this one because this is the I always get this one and lavender scent. So I kind of adjusted the scent this time. So I got the Hawaii Passion one. It is 17 ounces. And this is, you can use it on anything. You can use it as a layer in a box. You can put it in your trash can, and in your car, in your upholstery. And this is, guess what, y'all? This is also vacuum cleaner safe. Yes. You can when you fit stuff like this, you can vacuum it up. So this is vacuum cleaner safe. So yeah. So yeah, those are a couple of products, but for some of my like countertops, I do use all-purpose all-purpose cleaners. Those are the only things that I use for my countertops. And for my windows, I use Windex. If I'm not using the actual top brand Windex, I'm using a off brand. So yes, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget to let me hear from y'all. What is y'all favorite cleaning products? And tell me if whatever is your favorite cleaning products, and tell me what cleaning products you like using all the time. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.